popular design, and now you can see the price.
Yeah.
Earring and necklace only 36.
36 RMB.
Yes,
Guys,
RMB.
I can't believe this. This is only $5.
Yes, only $5.
Only $5, guys.
Also think the price is only.
Yeah.
You can buy some for your family.
Yeah, so guys, it's very, very affordable. Just $5. You can buy these necklaces and they don't fade. I have used it myself before. That's why I'm coming to visit their wholesale market. Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're in one of the largest and most popular jewelry brand based in China, and it's called Xuping. Xuping brand made in China. As you can see, all these are jewelries, and this is their wholesale market here. Very huge. You can see from here, very, very huge. Very, very huge. If you are thinking of starting a business, this is one of the businesses you can start even with little capital, with just 200 RMB. That is about that is even $60. With $60 you can start business by importing jewelry from this brand to your country. If you come here, you can select any of the styles you want, any kind of jewelry you want. The minimum order quantity is supposed to be $60, and it's very affordable. You can get several of them. For example, let me show you this. The price is 30 RMB. That is $5. This one, the price is $5. They have different designs. Different designs. They have necklaces here. You can see this. Different designs here. This one is 32 RMB, $5. So $5, with $5 you can buy any kind of necklaces. You can see rings here. This is how they package them. So Xuping is one of the most popular brands, even overseas. So you can start with little capital, and you make huge money from this brand. Several Chinese also come here to buy them and go and sell them, even in China. So if you need any of them, just contact us. We are your #1 registered trading company based in China. If you need any of them, just tell us the design and the styles, and we'll get you some shipped from China to your country for you. This is the Xuping brand, and you can see the different designs they have. Any brand that you want, any style that you want, you get some from here. Let me show you. So this is Xuping brand. You can see how cool the place looks like. So these are one of the easiest business you can start, even if you don't have huge capital. Selling jewelries, rings, necklaces, and all those stuff. These are affordable because you need to buy wholesale, and with wholesale you need to buy at least 200 RMB of these. Guys, this is so huge. This is some of their warehouses. Here you can see different products here. So you can see how huge and big their warehouses. So you can see here, all this side, all these are jewelries. All this side. Hello, 你好，今天来看看你们的。Wow, so you can see several of them.
Yes, it's also for wholesale.
Oh, for wholesale.
Yeah.
Wow, interesting.
My customers all have practice with them.
Oh, so this is the popular design.
Yes, it's popular design, and now you can see the price.
Yeah.
Earring
much?
and necklace only 36.
56 RMB.
Yes,
Guys,
RMB.
I can't believe this. This is only $5.
Yes, only $5.
Only $5, guys.
Also think the price is so nice.
Yeah.
You can buy some for your family.
Yeah. So guys, it's very, very affordable. Just $5. You can buy these necklaces and they don't fade. I have used it myself before. That's why I'm coming to visit their wholesale market. It's very, very affordable.
So many designs on the shelf on the first street.
Yeah. Wow.
If you are interested in this design, you can follow me. I can show them.
Sure.
Okay. You can wait a minute.
Okay. So she's so nice and her English is so good. I'm happy her English is so good. She's going to show me around the Xuping wholesale market.
You can go to the first street.
Okay, wow. You are so nice. Your English is good. So she's going to show me around all the wholesale market of Xuping.
Silver color.
Okay.
Also, we have 3 colors. 14K, 18K, or silver. But it's material of copper.
Oh, let me give you the microphone.
不用了，不用了。
我给你，我分给你。
不用了，不用了。
真的。
I'm so busy now.
Oh.
Okay, I can introduce the price to you.
Okay.
This one piece, if you for wholesale,
Yeah.
yeah, okay. Also, you can buy individually, but your total price is reach 200 RMB. And the one piece after one discount is 10 yuan one piece.
Oh,
This
after
earring.
one discount, 10 RMB.
Yeah, 10 RMB.
Wow.
On the different product have different price. You can see the price of behind the product. This
Okay.
one piece,
Yeah.
9.8, only 9.8.
Yeah. Wow. Interesting. Guys, it's just 9.8 RMB.
Yeah,
That
9.8.
that is $1.2.
Yes, $1 to $2.
Wow. Yeah. So guys, you can see this area as well. Like necklaces. Oh. So these are kind of rings. 1 point something, 14 RMB. That's $2.
To a customer.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow, interesting. So like, what is the most selling product in Xuping?
More selling.
Yeah. Most selling.
I can show you some new designs.
Okay.
Okay, we can go straight.
All right, guys, I'm very happy I've met her. Her English is very good and she's showing me the most selling products. So if you need some, just contact us. Who arrange delivery from China to your country.
Which country do you come from?
From Ghana.
Ghana.
Yeah.
Ghana.
Ghana.
Okay, I know this country.
Wow. You have a lot of Ghana customers?
No.
Okay, I'm your first customer.
Customer from all over the world.
Yeah.
Not, America.
Oh. Wow. Wow. Oh, these are new designs. Oh, this one. Okay, thank you. All right. Thank you. So these are new designs. This is $52. 52 RMB. Wow. Interesting. Guys, you can see this one. And it's just 52 RMB. Wow.
If you
Oh,
and give, if you
thank
make
you.
some different colors, you can add
Ah,
the
the
WeChat.
WeChat. Yeah, sure. Thank you, guys. I got a gift from Xuping. So this is the gift I got from Xuping. It looks so cool and beautiful. So if you need any of these from China, just contact us. Who arrange delivery from China to any part of the world. They have any kind of jewelry or necklaces, any kind you want. Xuping for you. I have used their product before. I've used their necklace before, golden type, and it's so cool. So if you need any of them, just contact us. Who arrange delivery from China to your country. Just look at this. So I'm leaving Xuping now. All this area is for Xuping. Let me pass this side. All these ones packaged and ready to be shipped. You can see Xuping. All this area is Xuping. So you can see this is some of the package of it. Xuping. These are rings. How now? All this area. We have necklaces. We have rings. This is 12 RMB. Very affordable. This is 29 RMB. They are not up to $5. So you can see this. So they have different varieties of Xuping products. Anything of jewelry, they have necklaces, wristwatch, ring, anything of jewelry they have. These are rings, and this is the price. One is 9 RMB. This is 9 RMB. So this is the storeroom. This is arranging delivery. You can see this Xuping. This is Xuping. Je doshi fa ho. Fa ho. Oi, tui ho. Wow. This is some of their Xuping. This is how they package. Budan pai jega. Oh, bunan dong. Oh, how. Hold on. So this is Xuping. the largest, most popular brand. Oh, Naga, oh, jelly. Oh, okay. So different designs here. They have this